All right, guys, we're back again with another adventure. So today I'm going to be telling you something cool what UNIFI did. It's awesome. And I haven't seen anything even close to this without having to buy all this other stuff, do all this higamajaw, riggery-roo to get stuff working. This VPN basically works with any WAN IP. It doesn't care what your IP address is. It doesn't even matter what your WAN IP address is, whether it's static, whether whatever. If you have Windows, Mac, or Linux, it'll work, or Android, or Apple, iPhone, it'll work no matter what. And you'll be able to connect to your network anywhere you are in the world and access your files and your stuff from home. And the coolest part is, like I said, it doesn't matter what your WAN IP address, whether it's static, whatever, who cares? It doesn't even matter. Like this one right here I'm going to show you today is my mother and father's. It says Starlink internet connection there, but they're getting it shot over from my brother-in-law's house to my mother and father-in-law's. This is my mother and father-in-law's router. So their address is on a different VLAN on my brother-in-law's network. So they're VLAN 6. So this is a VLAN totally separate. Guess what? I'm going to connect to his network. No problem there from a VLAN. Like this is a VLAN, and I'm gonna be able to access stuff on my mother and father-in-law's network because I'm connecting to their router. It's so freaking mind-blowingly cool. So if you have Starlink and you needed a VPN, get a UNIFI router that has Teleport, and you're rocking and rolling. You can access your bills, your files, map drives, everything as if you were at home from your phone or any of your computers, or as long as it runs Linux, Mac, or Windows 64-bit, you are rocking and rolling. So, what you're gonna wanna do first, I'll have a link for this in the description, is you're gonna wanna get the desktop app. They have the Windows version, 64, the ARM version, and the 64-bit version of Mac, and then the ARM and Linux. They'll probably have an ARM version of the Windows one once the ARM comes more out, but we're not worrying about that right now. So, download it, then you're gonna open it up, and I'm just testing it out, just showing you, but this is, you're gonna go to add new, or if you log into your account, so if you log into your account and you own a router, like actually own it on an admin, you'll have access to teleport right into it. But if you don't own it, you're gonna have to get access to own it, actually get the user's privileges, and I'm gonna show you that now because I don't own this router. This is my mother and father-in-law's router. I'm just an admin on it. So what I'd have to do is go to add new, and I'm gonna go to here, and I'm gonna go down to boom, VPN, and we're gonna go to teleport, make sure it's on. We're gonna generate link. There it is. I'm gonna copy it. Now it doesn't matter because I'm gonna get rid of it later. If the link doesn't generate, just refresh the page and hit it again. Now we're gonna go back down to here. We're gonna go here, click V, paste, connect. And we can always revoke these. My mother-in-law can always revoke it, or I can revoke it. So it's not like once you're done, you're done. Now I'm in the router. That's easy. That's quick. I'm on their network now, and you can see it switched. If I disconnect, back to Wi-Fi, connect. There, we're connected again. Now, if I go to my mother and father-in-law's house, Esther, they have their cloud. Where is their cloud? At 100. So I think I can go 192.168.1.1. And here it comes. And there's their cloud. I manage their cloud. This is the EX2 Ultra. This one is EX2 Ultra. This is on my network. And let's see. So yeah, I'm able to log in, access it. I can map a drive. Let's go to, let's do this. PC, should have it here, or just PC now. I forgot about that. Let's go down to here, whatever, it don't matter. All right, desktop. We'll go to, what am I thinking? I'm in a hurry, run home. There we go. And then we're gonna go to disk drives. There we go, that's what I wanted. Here, map a drive, and I can go boom, boom, 192.168.1.100. And then I can go to, yeah, because I have that permission, that should be fine. Browse, unless I did this one wrong there. There we go, boom. There it is, and this is family, and this family is not my family, but that's my mother and father-in-law. So if I clicked it, I could just hit OK, finish, and boom, I'm in that drive right now, all the stuff, and it's mapped. Robert's family, that's not on my network, so I can just go to, see, watch, just to show you that this drive is not on this computer, if not on this network, I should say. I'm gonna go to disconnect, say goodbye to that drive. Now if I go here and I go to refresh, go here, look, I can't access it now. It is not accessible. It's searching, searching, searching. Now if I go here and I go reconnect, there we go. Should give it a little minute here. I don't know how long it'll take, but it should just be, there it is. Yep, now it's just back on. We should see some data. There it is. And now if I hit it again, boom, boom. This is proof that it's literally not on this network. I'm telling you right here. Okay, it's off. And then we're gonna refresh it. I'm gonna just get rid of it totally. Let's see what happens. Windows does this sometimes with map drives. When you take them off, searching and stuff, it's kind of annoying sometimes, but whatever. So it's not responding. Yes, you know why it's not responding? Because it can't find that map drive that I don't have anymore. So that's what happens sometimes. So now we'll just go back up in here. It's working because this is what happens. They need to fix this. This is one thing about Windows 11 they need to fix, is the annoying part is if you don't have the drive, sometimes it takes like what the heck is taking so long? And all it is because it's trying to search for the stupid thing. Well, let's just go exit. Come on. This is real world computer stuff. Okay. Let's go. I'll just do it manually then because it wants to be a brat. And we'll go to there. Okay, we'll go to this way first. And I'm just going to go down to this PC this way. There it is. Yes, I know that's not there, you dingbat. Gosh, there. It worked. But that's it. It's so freaking cool. See, that should be there. Yeah, fine. Every time now. Yeah. Da-da-da. But even if I was not on this Wi-Fi, it's not like that. It's just I kept disconnecting really quick. So most people aren't going to do that. They're going to stay on it and be done. So it's not going to really have that problem. But yeah, I think it's just freaking awesome. It's just so freaking cool that you don't. Doesn't matter what your IP address is. Doesn't matter if you're using Starlink. That will never change unless you go to revoke that person in the teleport. There's an arrow you can go to revoke. So you can revoke people. You will never have to worry about it changing. It's so freaking cool. It's like, I don't know how you understand how easy that is, how like quick that is. And all you have is a little app that you just click down here and you can just connect to it. It's so freaking mind-blowing to me. I just love this thing. It's just hit connect and we're on, just like that. And it just works that simple and easy. And if your computer, guess what? If this computer gets stolen or whatever and you don't want people to have access to it, you can log into your cloud through the app or cloud your router through your UI.com app or something like that, and you can revoke the person immediately so they can't access your VPN and connect to your home network and stuff like that. So it's like one click done. Like as soon as your laptop's gone, this is how easy it is to set it up. I could log in to the app from UI.com and re-add this in, even if I'm not here, just like I did with my mother and father-in-laws. I'm not at their house, but I can add them in and add it back on that easy. So if the computer gets stolen, all I gotta do is log in on my phone, revoke me as a user, or the person, this laptop as a user, because it shows the laptop name of the devices, and then boom, guess what? He ain't gonna have access to this VPN anymore. It's just so freaking cool. I just love this thing, and I had to share this. This is like the biggest thing ever. Some people say, oh, it's nice to have this. The biggest thing is it doesn't matter about your WAN address. It doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter if you have, as long as you have an internet connection, that's all you need. All you need is internet and the router that supports Teleport, and you're gonna have this VPN, and no matter what else you have, it'll work perfectly. It'll just work. It'll just freaking work. I'm telling you. I'm sorry I'm excited, but I'm freaking excited. It's so freaking cool. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys like these videos. I know we got a little static of how crazy this is, but it's just mind-blowing. People are talking about this as the biggest thing, especially for these Starlink and these weird other thing users that are sharing IPs, or people don't want to pay for a static IP. Guess what? You are saved. But hey, if you guys like these videos, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and I'll catch you in the next one. And as I always say, hope you and your family are having a rock and rollin' day, and I'll catch you in the next one, baby.